Hello everyone, and welcome to this DataPlus tutorial. Today I want to show you the color picker as a special input for improving the readability of your worksheets. With this input, the user can customize the appearance of the application without the need for further development. In our case, we want to colorize the sales representatives to have a better orientation which sales line belongs to whom. Let's begin. This task has almost nothing to do with our past work, so we begin with a new DataPlus table on the top right side of the worksheet. Afterwards, the dialog asks us to connect to a table. So we switch over to the management side and create a new one. This time, the content of the table will be information regarding the sales representatives, so we name it sales_rep_details. The only information we want to store is a color code, so we create a column named color. After saving, we can switch back to our worksheet and select the previously created table. We want to assign a color to every sales representative, so we should work with the employee number to avoid ambiguity. We choose sales rep as a dimension and tick the checkbox for the row identifier. As a quick reminder, the row identifier is our primary key to the database. Afterwards, we also add the dimension sales rep name. Now we can switch back to the previous column containing the employee number, navigate to display and hide the column by assigning the Boolean value of true, which is in Qlik -1. To hide the ID column that simultaneously functions as a row identifier is a common practice. Now, the last column that we add to our new DataPlus table is the color picker input itself. We click on Add Column and then on DataPlus. Then we scroll down and select the color picker. At last, we define the label and save it to the DB column color. Then we can close the Edit mode and assign colors for our first entries. Maybe rearrange the table until it fits our desired outcome. And afterwards, we click the floppy disk icon to save the changes. Now we can jump back to the management site and verify the entries. We need to reload our data back into the application to make use out of the freshly assigned colors. Therefore, we enter the script editor and switch to the script section DataPlus. Here we select the data connection that is dedicated to our DataPlus information. Choose the public schema and select the table sales_rep_details. Then we confirm the dialog by clicking on Insert Script, and this time we can comment out the duplicate data connection as well as the column DBID. Additionally, we want to rename the ID column to SalesRep. Afterwards, we can reload the application and confirm that everything worked out fine with the data model viewer. The last step is to assign the colors to the sales representatives in the worksheet. We enter the bar chart, and in the Appearance section, we move the switch to the left to manually assign the colors. Then we click on By Expression and type in the column name Color. The same process we will apply to the DataPlus table. Here, the colors can be determined in the Data section. So we click on the sales representative's name and navigate downwards to the Color section. Here we also type in the column name Color. Congratulations! We successfully designed our first color picker. Thank you for watching! If you don't want to miss any updates regarding the DataPlus suite, please subscribe to our channel.